how to allow or don't allow websites to access your location in Safari on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Safari. Next, we go down and tap on Location. Now, if you want to deny access to your location, you can select Denied. If you want to grant the website to get access to your location, you can choose Allow or Ask. If you select Ask, then the website will ask for your permission before it can use your location. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.